maintenance crews. We run 5 mow crews, and then 1 chemical applicator, and 2 utility crews. And a utility crew is kind of that catch-all that goes and does mulching or trimming, just tries to, more like gardeners on job sites.
I take yours any day. Hard line coming, baby, yes and no. Gotta find a whole new life. Made me sail on down to New Mexico. With or without you. Maybe we can do like we did in the whole days, baby. Hump on my back and say I do. Oh, but you can't stop me, babe. But you can't just.
Hi, I'm Dave with Next to Nature Landscape. For the past 8 years, we've provided our customers with quality and service. From lawn maintenance, outdoor kitchens, ponds, patios, and lighting, we're here to serve all of your landscape needs.
You be the yin, I'll be the yang, and I'll make you laugh whenever I can, and baby.